Hi, it's Lucy from Cranberry Bush and welcome back. I know it's been a little while since I've been in front of the camera, but I hope you have been enjoying some of the other Christmas content that I've been publishing. Don't forget to always check the blog and Instagram because I update those on a daily basis. Today I wanted to share with you some very pretty dollar store gift ideas that don't look like you got them from the dollar store. There's a couple of tips that I have when creating these pretty baskets, and I want to share those with you now. So if you're ready, let's get started.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Word of the Father, now in flesh appearing. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. door, now in flesh appearing. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
So there you go. I hope you enjoyed those. I had so much fun putting those together. I love walking the aisles of the dollar store and thinking of things that, different themes and things that I can put together. So let me know what you can think of in the comments below. As usual, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and I will see you next time. Bye.